What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video about Fantom and the FTM token, FTM coin, we should actually say. But yeah, in this video, I wanted to talk about Fantom. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about the fundamentals. It was also requested, so here you go. But yeah, I think it's valuable. I think Fantom is a great blockchain. I think they'll have a great time ahead of them, especially in 2023 and 2024. And it has been massively bullish, of course, together with the market, but it's been very strong. We're now above the levels that we reached in the beginning of November, and we're around the levels we were at in June, for example, and in August, just in the middle of that bull run we had in August and July. So that is where we are right now, and we'll talk about the technicals, but first let's talk a little bit about the fundamentals and just look at Fantom a little bit more. Volume around 150 million. It's great compared to the market cap. That's great. There's definitely nothing to worry about that yet. And just in general, I think right now there's quite a lot of positive sentiment around Fantom. Ever since that article by Andre Cornier about the runway of Fantom and their new focus on DeFi, basically the potential. I think the sentiment around Fantom has really increased. So that's a great thing, and it's definitely working in favor of Fantom, definitely in these bullish market circumstances. So that's kind of the picture around Fantom. If we then take a look at the technicals, I would argue the technicals are a little bit more bearish. What you can see is that we found resistance a couple of days ago, Saturday, at 35 and 34 cents. Major resistance level, also historically very strong. Found resistance there, and from there we dropped down, and we're still quite bullish, all right? Because the main level we have as a support right now is this level between 31 and 32 cents, which is a strong support level. And I think we're right now, as you can see right now, our main resistance level is around 33.5 cents. For this short period of time, even though we touched 35 cents, but now it's 33.5 cents. So right now on the very short term, I think we'll drop down there, and I think we can initially hold it. The thing though is that if we hold it for like 2 or 3 days and we don't get the bullish breakout we're waiting for, because what we're waiting for is for us to break above, I would argue 34 cents is already enough. We're waiting for that, and for that to happen, I would think we really need a more bullish Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin to get some sort of a bullish breakout, or at least bullish momentum as well. So what I'm kind of afraid of for Fantom, and I'm really not sure if it's going to happen or not, sorry for that, but I'll think about it in the duration of this video. What I'm scared of is that we will hold 31.5 cents, but that the strength, or that the level loses power, that will drop down to 30 cents. And this level right here between 29.5 cents and 30 cents, which is a very strong support level. It's not the end of the world, because I still think that from that level we'll be able to do something like this, because at some point I do expect the market to become a little bit more bullish, and that Bitcoin is going to have those bullish impulses. So for now, just because I think Fantom looks a little bit weaker than other cryptos, I'm going to say that, all right, we're going to hold 31.5 and 32 cents as a support for the next 2 or 3 days. If in that time Bitcoin is actually able to get towards 22,000, then we'll do something like this, break above 34 cents and get to our next price target, which is between 38 and 39 cents for me at least. But if we are not able to do that, so if we're not able to have Bitcoin around 22,000 during the time we're still consolidating on top of 31.5 cents, I think we'll drop down to 30 cents, which is not the end of the world. We'll find support there. We'll get above 31.5 cents again. And we'll just do this a little bit later, probably, and get a little bit lower towards 38 cents. So yeah, that's my take on Fantom for today and the upcoming days. So if you do have any questions, if you want to discuss it, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.